I am worldwide. Imagine mo, rebates pa lang. 8.7 million na ang kinita natin. Rebates pa lang yan. Alam mo ba kung ano yung tatlong kitaan natin sa rebates? Meron tayong residual, meron tayong leadership commission, at meron tayong unilevel. Ang unilevel commission ay kinikita ito sa every 5 pesos na bumibili ng barley sa organization mo. Imagine mo, 4.4 million. Ang daming kumikita at ang daming nagre-repeat purchase kasi in demand ang product. Napakaganda ng product. Okay, another one, itong leadership commission. Ito naman yung mga rank up, mga builders sa organization mo, na mga natulungan mo at naturuan mo. Ibig sabihin, percentage mo yan sa unilevel nila based sa rank up nila. At ito naman, yung residual sales match, imagine mo, yung ano natin, wholesale package na kitaan ay nagpe-pairing ka na doon, tapos nagpe-pairing ka pa sa bawat produkto na in-order ng Team A at Team B mo. Sa sales, nagpe-pairing pati rebates. Kaya kung ikaw, hindi ka kumikita dyan sa company mo, hindi mo na i-enjoy ang rebates or yung unilevel, try this I Am Worldwide business. Napakaganda ng produkto, saleable sa market. Totoo ba na may free cars I Am Worldwide? Hindi ba yan hype? Baka naman binabayaran nyo yan. Okay. Actually, marami nagtatanong nito. Yes, totoo po ang car incentive sa I Am Worldwide. By the way, 3 times na ako nakahit ng fully paid na car dito sa I Am Worldwide. Alam nyo po, okay, yung mga nahihit ko, it's either i-upgrade ko o kaya i-turn ko into cash and then binibili ko ng mga property. Ganyan kaganda kay I Am Worldwide kasi kumita naman ako eh. Pero iba yung may libre. Alam mo, marami pa tayong iba't ibang level. Yung nahit ko palang level 1 at level 2. May nakahit po dito ng level 3, naka Ford Mustang, and may nakahit din po ng level 4 dito. Ito yung kagandahan. You can maximize this na yung mga incentive ni I Am Worldwide. Kaya huwag kang magtaka kung bakit may mga naka-Lamborghini dito. Kasi kung ikaw ay paulit-ulit na nakakahit ng mga iba't ibang sasakyan, okay, pwede ka mag-level up talaga ng kotse mo. Marami po dito, 'di ba? Mga naka-supercar na. Kasi bakit? Ang dami nang nahit na incentive dito kay I Am Worldwide. Kaya naman, kung ikaw hindi mo to na-experience sa ginagawa mo sa company mo, yung mga libreng sasakyan, at pinag-iipunan mo pa at binabawas mo sa sweldo mo, mag-join ka na sa I Am Worldwide kasi dito, totoong libre po ang kotse. Kaya naman, kung bibigyan mo ng effort, ako sa'yo, kung gaano ka-generous yung company namin. Alam mo ba, yung company namin, may tinatawag na Project 001. Ano yung Project 001? Ito, yung 10% ng income ni company sa lahat ng bumili ng 6 boxes, sabihin na natin na barley, nagpaparapol siya ng income niya na 10%, pinamimigay po sa distributor. Kaya dito, may nag-order lang, nagparaffle ang company ng 3.2 million plus. Yung nanalo, 'di ba? Imagine mo, bumili lang, hindi pa nakapag-refer, wala pang ginawa, pero nanalo ng 3.2 million, instant milyonaryo. Yung isa naman, okay, nag-network, nagulat na lang, nabunot kasi bumili siya. Yung 425,000 sa e-wallet niya, naging 3.5 million. Ibig sabihin, nanalo siya ng 3.1 million ng instant kasi napaka-generous ng company natin. And ito, kasama namin to dito, nagpatunay na yung active na mentor pwede din manalo sa Project 001, nakakuha ng 1 million pesos. Ito 2 years ago pa yan. Pero sa susunod po na ating raffle, baka nasa 4 million to 4.5 million ang pinaparapol sa Project 001. Ganyan ka-generous ang company natin. Napakadaming kitaan, isa lang to sa part.
Hello, amazing morning sa lahat. Papakilala po muna ako. By the way, my name is Jonas Carmona. Ang background ko po is dati po akong tricycle driver from Masbate Province. Ngayon, full-time ko nang ginagawa si I Am Worldwide. Share ko lang sa inyo na dito sa I Am Worldwide is weekly ang kitaan. So, bali, ginawa ko siya kasi na-realize ko na from tricycle driver is sobrang hirap na habang buhay tricycle driver ka. Kaya grinab ko itong opportunity na na-discuss sa akin na sabi ko pwedeng makapagpabago ng buhay ko. So ngayon, bali nandito tayo sa pinaka-main office para mag-claim ng ating 1 week income check. So bali ito po yun. Ayan. Siguro, part sa akin, malaki na to sa akin kasi kisa sa dati na kinikita ko sa bilang isang tricycle driver, no? Ayan lang. At maraming salamat po.
Hey everyone, do you love chocolate milk but want something even better? Let me tell you about my favorite drink, Amazing Choco Barley. It's super easy to make, just add a packet to your milk and give it a good stir. And voila, you've got a delicious chocolatey drink that's packed with barley goodness. So yummy. And guess what? It's not just tasty, it's also really good for you. Barley has lots of vitamins and minerals that help you grow strong and healthy. I love drinking Amazing Choco Barley before I play because it gives me lots of energy. And it's so chocolatey, it feels like a treat every time. So if you want a drink that's delicious and good for you, try Amazing Choco Barley. You'll love it just as much as I do. Cheers to being healthy and happy.
Ang tanong niya is, pwede daw po ba sa minor yung ating Amazing Pure Organic Barley? Let's answer that sa video na to. By the way, my name is Chris Venancio. Ako po ay isang legit and authorized distributor ng ating barley. Kaya kayo po ay makakasiguro na legit, original, authentic, Amazing Pure Organic Barley ang check out niyo if you click the yellow basket below, since ako po ay isang legit and authorized distributor. To answer your question, kung pwede po ba ito sa minor, of course, yes. Pwede. Amazing Pure Organic Barley can be taken by everyone. Even children can take the Amazing Pure Organic Barley. Even seniors can take the Amazing Pure Organic Barley. Regardless of the age, everyone can take the Amazing Pure Organic Barley kasi ito po ay purong barley grass. And ang purong barley grass po ay packed with a lot of nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, amino acids, enzymes, and antioxidants na nakakatulong po to optimize our overall health. Basically, if you're a minor and if you're looking for a healthy drink na makakatulong sa iyong overall health to bridge that nutrition gap, ibig sabihin yung kulang ng mga nutrients na hindi natin nakukuha sa ating mga pagkain, kaya pong i-provide ng Amazing Pure Organic Barley para mas maging healthy tayo day by day. I-try nyo na po yung ating Amazing Pure Organic Barley. Marami na po itong natulungan, kaya if you're looking for legit, authentic, original, Amazing Pure Organic Barley, click the yellow basket below to check out this Amazing Pure Organic Barley.
Nothing that I would not know. You're the light, you're the light, you're the light.
Around 2 weeks ago, I made a decision that our effective online system will be partnered with a new company which is called I Am Worldwide. And one of the things I love most about I Am Worldwide is because of the Just For You bonus. You've heard me right, Just For You. Ibig sabihin, pag nakaapat ka na avail, you can earn up to 200,000 pesos. And today, kasama ko po lahat ng mga leaders ko simply because after clicking the Just For You commission, in my account, automatically po, magre-reflect na siya yung 1 million total commission ko sa account ko. So, the reason why we're doing this, because I wanted to show them, and of course, I wanted to show you as well. Let's go. I'm logging into my account, and this is the ITC of I Am Worldwide. Walkthrough pa lang kayo. And of course, you will see here that my total commission as of the moment is 818,700. Yan. So, punta tayo sa Just For You. I'll go to e-wallet and I'll click on e-wallet Just For You. Ladies and gentlemen, right after clicking all of this, palakin ko ha, para makikita nyo. And maswerte ka kasi sinamahan mo po ako ngayon. Bakit? Kasi after clicking this and I click on submit, ladies and gentlemen, here you go. Pakita ko sa mga leaders ko. Nakapili ko submit. What does it say? It says transfer successful. Exciting? Then I go to back to dashboard, and ladies and gentlemen, in 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go. 1 million pesos in just 2 weeks! Ito yung tanong ko. Sino kaya sa mga leaders ko ang susunod na magwa 1 million? That's it. Bye-bye guys! So, 1 million pesos.